Please watch this video till the end. I have a guessing game that is open to everyone.
Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm making a tasty recipe for my vegetarian friends. Baby potatoes with sweet peas curry, or you can say korma. It goes very well with any kind of Indian breads or rice. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
I love these multicolored baby potatoes. I'm using frozen peas, but you may use fresh if you want. Make some holes in each so that the masalas will get inside and make them taste better. One half chopped onion. I'm going to grind all these ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, ginger root your thumb size, cut into small pieces, 4 garlic cloves, a handful of cashews, 1/2 chopped onion, 2 tomatoes. I'm using frozen tomatoes. And 1/2 cup of shredded coconut. I'm using fresh one, but you may use frozen too. In a small food processor, add all the ingredients except tomatoes. Add a little water. And grind it into a smooth paste. Add tomatoes. And a little bit more water and grind it again. Just like this. Put the ground masala on a plate or a bowl. Into that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, adjust your taste, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Mix it well. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. And set it aside. In a big pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil over high heat. I'm using olive oil today. Once the oil is hot, add 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait till it's split. 2 bay leaves. A small piece of kalpasi, it gives lovely flavor. A stem of curry leaves. Add 1/2 chopped onion and fry it for a minute or two. Now reduce the heat to medium. Add 1 cinnamon stick and 3 to 4 cloves. Fry it till the onion gets nice and brown. Add the prepared masala and mix it well. Bring it to a nice boil on a medium heat. Add potatoes and mix it well. Cover it and cook until it becomes tender on low heat. Looks good and smells great too. Add sweet peas and let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Add some water, say about 1/4 cup of water, and mix it well and bring it to a nice boil on medium heat. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of yogurt and mix it well. Finally, garnish it with 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro and turn the stove off. Let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. It goes well with any kind of rice or bread, especially ghee rice and chapati. I have links for these two recipes in my description box if you want to check them out. I'm dedicating this yummy recipe to all my vegetarian friends who asked me to upload more vegetarian recipes.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to watch my next upload. I'm going to share videos of my recent vacation. Here's the deal. I'm going to give a shout out to the first 5 people who correctly guess what city I'm in. Are you ready? Here's a clue. I visited India.